Hi everybody, welcome back. Well, today I'm going to be cooking something with some chicken leftovers. I don't like waste. Anyway, this chicken dish is called Chicken Parmentier. Sounds very French, doesn't it? That's because it is French. I never had it when I was in France, but I'm going to make it at home. And yeah, enjoy this video, and we're going to start right now. So, these are the ingredients that we're going to need for this dish. We're going to need a whole can of chopped up tomatoes. You can use fresh if you want. We're going to use some celery, about 2 sticks I've got for this amount, and of course our leftover roast chicken from Sunday. Some shallots, I've got 6 peeled and cut in half. Then we need some chicken stock, about half a pint. I'm using white wine vinegar, but you can use ordinary white wine if you so wish, it would be just as good. I've got some chopped up garlic there, some black olives pitted, and of course some carrots that are chopped, and some cheese. I've used cheddar. And we're going to give it a squirt of this tomato puree. We'll make a start now. In a pan, some cooking oil, followed by a hefty amount of butter. In with the shallots. There we go, put them all in. We're going to cook these for quite a while. And then add our chopped carrots. Give that a mix, get the oil all over the carrots and give them a bit of a fry off. Same with the celery, in that goes. There we go, mix that around. After a while we can go in with our chopped up garlic. Don't want to go in too soon with that in case it burns. Yeah, make sure it's all going nicely. Then we can add our stock. In that goes. Lovely bit of chicken stock, followed by a tin of tomatoes. Give this a mix, and we're going to cook this down for a little while because we want the vegetables to get a little bit soft. We don't want them too crunchy. Add our tomato puree, about 3 tablespoons, about 4 tablespoons full of white wine vinegar, or as I said before, the white wine. Then we can go in with the black olives. These are sliced ones. Give those a mix and really give a nice flavour to this. Pinch of salt. Pinch of black pepper, another stir, keep cooking this down for a little while before we add the star of the show, our already cooked leftover chicken. We're going to put that in, mix that around, push it under, that will soak up the flavours as well. Cook for about another 10 minutes and then we're ready to put in the dish. We'll pop that in there, level it off a bit. It's all looking good. Nice bright colours. Now for this dish we're going to need some mashed potato, and I like to put a hefty amount of butter in with mine, some seasoning, some salt there, and some pepper. And also I like to add a drop of cream and a couple of egg yolks, just to give it a nice colour and to make it a really glistening, and it just looks really very attractive. So we're going to mash this down until it's light and fluffy. It's looking good. We can go on with our mashed potato. Make it as tidy as possible. I'm sure you can do a better job than me. Look, I missed a bit there. We're trying to cover it up so nobody sees. There we go. A bit better. Then on with our cheddar cheese. You can use pretty much most cheeses. A Gruyere would be nice, but I didn't have any, so I'm using cheddar. Try not to miss any. This is going to go a nice golden brown. Put a little crust on the top. Make it extra tasty. So when it's all done and nice and even, like this, it's off to the oven. There, doesn't that look good? Terrific. We're going to enjoy this tonight. Please try this for yourself. Dead easy, uses up leftovers. I don't like waste. Oh yes. Now for a little taste. Bit of a job to get out really, but I will. Oh, it's really tasty. Yep, I'm going to be doing that when I can. Very impressive. Got a lot of flavours. Going down well. Thanks for watching this latest video of mine. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Give me a like, that'd be great. And I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye for now.